Alright, so I guess here's the last part. I did some of boring cleanup. I think everything's ready before maybe the splicer will spit out an error. So let's go have a shot now. Draw as a file, export as the STL, and selection only, so that we override it. Let's go save that. Here's the slicer program, flash forward, because that's the printer my local library has. So there's no excuse, everyone can do this, is free. And I'm going to desktop, the NK5 and that, load it in, yes, repair it, cool, and I'm going to the scale and scale this as large as I can. Realistically, I can print this. Okay, so that's a large model. Y85. I'm gonna cut. So that's why I lined up in a row. So gonna cut. Draw with mouse. Easy. And then just gonna move this over here. Oh. If I cut it, what happened? No. Maybe I have to press enter. There. Start cut. Ah, I forgot you have to press start cut. Oh, we're all learning. So select it, draw from there, and start cut. Cool, and then we just rearrange them. For some reason, my key is not there. Well, I'm going back into Blender. Where? Oh, I know why. Oh. So it should be there. For some reason I didn't select it. File. Oh, I need to do it again actually. File, export, STL, export. I'm just going to delete everything again. File, load, and this is the newly updated one. Just put the platform, repair model. I don't know what to do, but it's free, and to be honest, there's a lot of bullets I didn't know what I did. And look, like repair model actually does delete my my key, which is no good. Like, that's a bit frustrating. I wonder what's wrong with it. Oh, let's go have a quick investigation. There might be a gross ass face inside. Nope. Maybe the software's a racist. Doesn't like keys. Yes. Ignore. Because I have good trust. Oh no, it's just not cooperating. Scale. Oh, no, we'll just keep it scaling. To 85 millimeters. So 85. I'm just want to have a rough idea. So 85 So back to, so yeah, it's a pretty small model. That's plus another 50. So it's like 22, because that's including the fuselage. So that's cool. Yep. Cut. Let's be quick about this. Select the model. Start cut. Select the model. Oh, that's a bit hard. Start cut. And rearranging the print bed. I don't know what other slicer, Kira, I don't know what sort of printers you have, but this is all I have access. I'm sure there'll be much better print settings to be made. Yeah, nothing sticking out boundary. Let's go load up support, auto support, because I'm lazy. Okay, cool. So I'm quite proud of that. It's quite minimal. Yeah, that's need to be supported. And all the everything down there. Yeah, this might be a bit problematic. Back. Phew, I thought this is the bolts, but no. This is supports. Let's go print this little bad boy. Place, RAF, enabled. I'm gonna try both. Hyper, why not? I don't want to waste my material. More options. Infill. Yeah. Speed. Wall prim. This is prim. Oh well, let's go. Okay. And now slicing. Get your USB ready and happy printing. It's been an absolute pleasure. If someone actually genuinely did it, I'm not expecting a whole lot of people to do it, because to be honest, it's a sloppily made course. I literally just thought it was a good idea and press record. If you did it, I'm very proud. It's not about views or anything, it's about self-improvement, and you learn a new skill, which is, in this day and age, you have to educate yourself. Don't expect uni will teach you anything. Well, it's a good place to go, but teach you everything you need. I don't bother. Look at it, the RAF. 38 hours. Jesus Christ. Yeah, good. I can snap it off still. Alright. So, I'm going to send the G code. Wait, I don't have a export G code. Always name it. NK15 jet with draft save. Where did that go? Where did I go? File, export. Oh, it's on my desktop. Alright, cool. Yeah, and this is how I imagine to print stuff. So we get like a reduced amount of layering. Very exciting. How about the tail end? Yeah, that came out okay. Okay. Weight information. Oh, it's a heavy model. That's a 1/10 of a kilogram. Well, let's go print this again. Hyper. Enabled. Okay. Add a brim. Maybe it might work with a without a giraffe. I don't know. I'm trying. This is experimenting. Like the peeler is free, so might as well. Cause like you got this like these weird supports which are that might come off during print. Oh, I have to do a warm up. But yeah, that's why I did I make these in an angle so they can be possible to print. This one unfortunately isn't, and I had to set it. And now this is like a one layer a brim. No, that's not what I wanted. Print again. Hyper. Just hyper. And I just want the support enabled. Okay, ignore. It doesn't even help when there's like these little micro supports down here. I'm just curious. It's just an experiment. Uh-oh. That might be no good. Yeah, so a thing in like in this type of manufacturing is they always triangulate it. Triangulate is just an easy algorithm. No, it's just easier to render and calculate. So yeah, we're gonna get some of these harsh triangles. Luckily we have the original model and we can tweak that, and it doesn't look that bad in my opinion. I'm curious like what sort of parts we can get up. I don't know if the support might print that strong long, but export the G code. I'm going to same name but without and Jesus Christ, 70 megabytes. Alright, cool. Let me just check in my files. It's on my desktop. I have, where are they? File export. Ah, there they are. They're in the NK15 project folder. That's handy. Alright, I'll see you then. I'll see you next part when we have it fully printed and I can talk about my failures.